Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But don't worry, this work on the Galaxy S24 models. So let's get started. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. You can quickly check by swapping or sweeping down the tapping Bluetooth icon, or you can go to the settings. Head over to the settings, then connections, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You'll see it already searching for devices. Now let's get your AirPods into pairing mode. Grab the case, open it up, and long press the button on the back. You will see the light start blinking. That means you're ready to pair. Now go back to your phone and hit scan. The AirPods should pop up in the list of available devices. Tap your AirPods, hit pair, and just like that, your AirPods are connected. You're all set to start enjoy your media with your AirPods on your S24 Ultra. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.